Hi Scorpio, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for people looking for answers who are not in touch with their partners and who are probably a person of interest and really want to know what's going on in their minds, what's happening. Please keep in mind the general readings and might not resonate with each one of you. So do check your moon and rising also for a bigger picture or a better picture rather. Let's see what's going on. Scorpio. So this person right now is ending something or planning to end something because they're really planning to come towards you with a very nice offer, and this is somebody that you are just friends with, or you have feelings for them and you have not expressed, and probably they have not expressed, or you feel that this person is too interested in a lot of people, not just you. And but do keep in mind that they are planning to end, even if they are in a relationship and come to you. That's their plan right now. That's something that they haven't told you. They are really planning, in the planning mode, how to come to you because they are attracted to you. Let's see, what will they tell you if they come to you? What will they tell you if they come to you? Currently they are really planning. They are really planning to end whatever they are into and planning to propose you or come towards you. If they come to you, they will tell you that they really enjoy being with you. They might not express the love very openly. They might probably for some of you they could offer you a business partnership also. They could say that okay, let's work together. They might not express it openly saying that okay, I'm into you or let's have a future together. Not just that, they will spend more and more time with you. They will still keep this relationship hidden from you, the past one which they currently are in. They won't tell you what's actually going on, but they will want to be more in touch with you and more they will want to spend more time with you. Let's see what you are thinking about them. What are you thinking about them? So yes, you think that I think you've really given them a lot of I don't see the Hierophant. You have given them a lot of in small ways, gestures. You have shown them that you like them, but it hasn't gone anywhere. So you have completely given up, and you're like focused on your career. You're focused on other things, till the time they come up with a proper offer, or they spill the beans. You don't see something happening here. That is your energy right now, but I've told you what the tea is here. So let's see what the future of this connection is. What is the future of this connection? Yeah, them going, I mean, they are really working towards you. They're leaving behind somebody what they are into, and I think they really want to offer you something they will be very blunt with you, though from the start they won't show you everything. They won't tell you the real picture, but I think they are very wary of opening quickly. I can read this energy that they will not open quickly. Please remember, and don't even force it, because let the other person open up at their own pace. So they will open up at their own pace, but surely, and they are coming towards you. That is for sure. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe my channel and keep tuned for more information. Bye bye.